Hi everyone, I'm Sharina J. Daleso from BSHM 2B. I choose the question, what are some current challenges that we're facing right now with regards to modern technology, and how do you think we'll be able to overcome it? First challenges, I think, is privacy erosion. So what is the privacy erosion? It's connected to the Missing 2023. The film portrays how easily personalized and access the data or be manipulated. Highlights the challenges of maintaining privacy in a world where our data is constantly collected and stored. For this generation, it's easily to access our information. Second challenges is misinformation and deception. So what is the misinformation and deception? Also, the internet, while a powerful tool, all generation use technology and an internet. By internet, it can be easily to communicate, easily to access all the data. So that is the powerful of internet and technology. It's also breeding ground for misinformation. So for third challenges, we have digital dependence and vulnerability. So what is the digital dependence? Digital dependence can be defined as the overuse of the internet and electronics, the point that it can affect our daily life. So the dependence, our digital dependence, is when we are using technology. All this generation, it also, even child can be vulnerable to using internet. The film likely explore the consequence of this dependence, showing how technology can both empower and endanger us. So for our generation, for all the people who use internet, it can be danger to ourselves and empower ourselves, and also he can blind us in technology. So how to overcome it is all the challenges like that. This is the first one. Enhance digital intimacy. For enhanced digital intimacy is this: overcome our challenges, promoting critical thinking and skepticism. So we need to foster a culture of critical thinking and skepticism, to our encouraging individuals to questioning information and verify sources before accepting them as a truth. Includes promoting media literacy and encouraging open about the challenges of digital age. So lastly, how to overcome our challenges is fostering genuine human connection. We need to prioritize building strong and ethical relationship and real world to control as the isolation and deception that can arise from excessive digital defense. So in the film Missing 2023, I realized to be mindful, because all the challenges, learn how to use technology and internet, because in this generation, technology or internet is important to us. Think before you click it.